Welcome to Understand the Math. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to easily find all solutions to this trigonometric equation with multiple angles. Let's now solve the equation root 3 tangent theta divided by 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. Let's begin by reducing this to tangent theta is equal to a constant. So we have root 3 tangent theta divided by 2 minus 1 is 0. Take the 1 to the right-hand side. So we get root 3 tangent theta divided by 2 is equal to 1. Dividing each side by root 3 gives us tangent theta divided by 2 is equal to 1 over root 3. Let's remind ourselves that tangent of theta divided by 2 is equal to sine theta divided by 2 divided by cosine theta divided by 2. So we can think of this as 1/2 divided by root 3 over 2. And that will enable us to realize that our reference angle is going to be equal to pi over 6. Since our constant c is positive, our solution is going to lie in quadrant 1 and in quadrant 3. And we can remind ourselves that theta divided by 2 is going to be the arctan of 1 divided by root 3, which we just talked about being equal to pi over 6. In quadrant 1, theta divided by 2 is equal to our theta sub r divided by 2, and it's equal to pi over 6. We actually don't need to find the solution for quadrant 3 since tangent is pi periodic, and we can get the solution for quadrant 3 from our solution in quadrant 1. For step 4, we'll write down that theta divided by 2 is equal to pi over 6, and in quadrant 3, theta divided by 2 is going to be pi over 6 plus pi, which is equal to 7 pi over 6. All the solutions are going to look like theta divided by 2 is equal to pi over 6 plus n pi, and theta divided by 2 is going to be 7 pi over 6 plus n pi. We're going to now multiply this equation by 2, and we will get our value for theta. So theta is going to be pi over 3 plus 2n pi. For our equation on the right, when we multiply it by 2, we get theta is equal to 14 pi over 6 plus 2n pi. And we notice that 14 pi over 6 is greater than 2 pi, so we don't have to worry about that solution. It's included in this solution here when we add 2n pi. For completeness, let's write down that n is 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, and other values. From 0 up to 2 pi, theta is equal to pi over 3. If k was equal to 1, we would get one solution for quadrant 1 and one solution for quadrant 3. But since k is 1/2, we're only going to get one solution, and it corresponds to n is equal to 0.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.